Hello friends, this is the Professor Rajkumar Landgai from NB Nole, Sinhagad College of Engineering, Solapur. I have working in electrical engineering department. I have also completed my 10-year experience in that teaching field. I also completed my MTech in electrical power system. Hello friends. So last video lecture we have to start the new chapter, that is the design of three-phase induction motor. So we also start that chapter and study the output equation of three-phase induction motor, and after that we have to also study the one example. So this example, I hope that you have to be practice that example. Okay, so now we have to start the next example, and that next example is a very simple example. Okay, so just we have to be remember that step. So we have to be start that problem. So we have to be I have to be read that problem. So that is your second example, that is the a 15 HP 400 volt 1430 rpm three phase induction motor with an efficiency of 80% and power factor 81% and inner diameter of stator 30 centimeter and length 12 centimeter. Estimate the diameter and length for a 50 HP 406 volt 4 pole 50 Hz induction motor to be designed for 84% efficiency and 85% power factor. Assume the same specific loading at the previous motor. So whatever we have to study the last example, that specific loading we have to be consider in that problems. So just read the problem carefully. They have to be given two motor. So one motor is the 15 HP and second motor is the 50 HP, and first motors they have to given to diameter and length and also given to the efficiency and power factor, and from that we have to calculate the diameter and length for second motor, that is the 50 HP motor. Okay, so it is very important example. That example they have to be asked in the university exam. So let's start. So from the example you should be write the given data. So in that given data, HP is the 15, voltage is the 400 volt, efficiency is the 80%, power factor is the 81%, and speed is the 1430. So we have to take the nearest speed is the 1500, rpm. So again note that speed in the rpm, that speed should be converted in the rps. For that it should be divided by 60 and it will become 25 rps. Okay, so that given data they have to be given. Okay, so they also given the diameter and length of first motor. So diameter is the 30 centimeter and the length is the 12 centimeter. So it should be converted in the meter. So let's start. So first motor kVA is nothing but HP into 0.746 divided by efficiency into cos phi. So just put the value. So HP is the 15 and efficiency is the 0.8 and power factor is the 0.81. So just calculate that value. It will become 17.21. Okay, so next is the output coefficient, that is the C0 is equal to kVA divided by d square L into ns. So put the value. So kVA already we have to calculate 17.21. So d square L for the first motor they have to be given. That value is the 0.3, 0.12 and speed is the 25. So calculate that. It will become 63.92. So next, the kVA for the second motor. So same formula you have to use. So kVA for second motor, that is the HP into 0.746 efficiency into cos phi. So put that value and it will become. So second motor's efficiency and power factor they have to be given. So write that is the efficiency is the 0.84 and power factor is the 0.85. So put that value and it will become 52.24 for second motor. Then d square L, okay, d square L is equal to kVA divided by C0 dot or C0 into ns. So this will become our basic equation of three-phase output equation of three-phase induction motor, and it will be like that. kVA is equal to d square L ns, C0 d square L ns. Okay, so from that we have to be write like that. D square L is equal to kVA divided by C0 into ns. Put that value. So already calculate kVA, that is the 52.24 divided by C0 is the 63.92 into ns is the speed in rps, that is the 25, and calculate that and it will become d square L is equal to 0.0326. So call this equation number 1. Then to separate that D and L, so we have to take the pole pitch, and that is nothing but the tau. So for the good motor with the power factor, we have to take tau is equal to 0.41 under root L. So we can assume that motor have a based on power factor for pole pitch. So tau is equal to 0.41 under root L. So just put that value. Tau is the pole pitch and its value is the pi d divided by p. So they have to given to the poles, that is the 4 poles. So put that value, and d is equal to 0.5220 under root L. So call this equation number 2. Okay, so this value should be put in the equation number 1, and equation number 1 is the d square L is equal to 0.03267. So put the value of here d and calculate the first is the length, that is the L value, and that L value should be 0.3462 meter. Okay, now that L value should be put in the equation number 2, and we have to be calculate the value of d, and it will become 0.3071 meter. Okay, so like that we have to be solve that examples. Okay, so I hope that you have to be understood that problem. So if you not understand, please ask me. Okay, so we also read the theory parts of that three-phase design of induction motor. So in that theory they have to be clearly mentioned that that theory parts, then you have to be understood betterly. Okay, so thank you very much.